Now, to solve a question like this, so this is a compound quadratic solve. So whenever given a question like this, let's say we have, square root of a plus root b. So there's a general, like just a general formula that you can use to get your answer, very straight and easy and direct. So which is written on the board. Mind you, if this is minus, so yeah, in between here will also become what? Minus. So how do you learn the formula? It's very simple. So just pick a. So bring your square root. So take your square root, a plus, bring another square root, a squared minus b all over 2. So just repeat it, the same thing here, but make it a conjugate. So if this is plus, so this is going to be minus. So let's have an example that we have here. So we have root 17 plus 4 root 3. So how are we going to do that? Very simple. So here, this is going to become the square root of, what's the first number? 17. So I'm going to write 17, okay? But if I move on, please, I need to put it into a plus root b. So let's put it into a plus root b. So that becomes root 17 plus roots. So this is going to give us what do you have? So you're going to bring 4 in, and 4 become what? 16. So 16 times 16 times 13, that gives me 208. So now we can solve. So what's our A? Our A is 17. What's B? What's 208? So now let's compute this into this expression. So our final answer here should be, now let's go A. So what's our A? 17 plus, so A squared, which is going to become 17 squared minus 208 all divided by 2. And here, so we have square root of 17 plus square root of 17 squared minus 208 all over 2. So I hope this is clear. So 17 plus, coming to the square root, just create 17 squared, 208, just make the conjugate, if plus, this become what? Minus. So I'm just repeating what is there so as this, just that I'm changing this plus to become what? Minus. So our final answer here becomes, so now let's go. So what is this 17 squared? So 17 squared is 289 minus 208. So I'll be having the square root of 17 plus square root of 81 all divided by 2. Why here I'm going to have the square root of 17 minus square root of 81 all divided by 2. So this and this, I'll be left with your 81. That's going to give me what? 9. So 9 plus 17. So 9 plus 17 is going to give me 26. So 26 divided by 2, I'm going to have what? Root. So root 13 plus, here I have 9 plus, and square root of 81 is 9. 17 minus 9. So it's going to give you, 17 minus 9, give us what we'll call 6 divided by 2. So I'm going to get 3. So that becomes square root of 3. So that's how to use the general formula to solve any quadratic, any compound quadratic equation. Thank you.